In the
name,
arms
organization.
of an angel.
I don't think that's how it goes.
Hi, I'm Adriana. I'm a member of Cornell Shippey, and I'm asking for help with a project that I have been working on for a very long time. I worked on it during high school, and since before that with my family. It's a little school called Escuelita Los Bordos in Guatemala. My dad originally donated the land for the school, and it's been a one classroom school for a while. They've had one teacher, about 50 students, K through 6. And when I was in high school, my class decided that we wanted to build them an extra classroom. And that has almost happened. We had enough funds to build the structure of the building and to put a roof on it, but they don't have windows or doors yet. And right now in Guatemala, it's the rainy season, which it's a lot of rain. And so far they've been able to use the classroom, and it's been fine, but it would be really great if we could get windows and doors on the classroom. And so far, up till now, we haven't been able to do that, and that's why we're asking for your help. We need to raise between $700 and $800 to be able to pay for this, and there's going to be lots of different ways that you can help us out. We'll be selling things, and we're just hoping you can help us with this. These kids are so happy. They have their school, and they didn't ask for more, but we wanted to give them more, and we would like to just help out with providing education for all students. So, yeah, please help us.